Good afternoon, children. In my previous class, I was discussing about the structure of fructose. You know, fructose is a fruit sugar. It is prepared by the hydrolysis of cane sugar. There is a formation of a one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose. Fructose is having ketonic group and it is laboratory. So that is why when we write sign for it, we write negative sign for the fructose, and it also belongs to D family. It does not belong to L family, rather than it belongs to D family. If we look at the open chain structure, the fructose consists of ketonic group at the second carbon. This is second carbon. There is a CH2OH at the first carbon, and then there is a CH2OH at the sixth carbon. But it is not found in the form of open chain structure. Rather than it is found in the form of cyclic structure. Now, this cyclic structure has been taken from a molecule that is known by the name of furan. It is having 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is an oxygen at the top. When we make the cyclic structure, this CH2OH is written on this side, and then one of the hydrogen from fifth carbon attaches itself with that of a oxygen, and there is a hydrogen. The double bond breaks up and there is a formation of a H group here. As glucose is alpha and beta, similarly fructose is also alpha and beta. If this fructose is having OH group on the right side, it is known by the name of alpha D negative fructofuranose. Furanose. Just now I will make the cyclic structure. If this OH is written on this side, this OH is written on this side, then it is known by the name of beta D negative fructofuranose. If I make the cyclic structure of fructose, I will just make the cyclic structure of fructose just like that of a molecule furan. So this will be structure. If I prepare the structure, this structure will be formed like this. It will be oxygen at the upper position, CH2OH, OH, then OH, H, H, OH, CH2, OH, and then here it is H. So this will be, when this OH is only downward position and CH2OH at the upward position, it will be known by the name of alpha D fructofuranose. If I make beta structure for it, then it will be like this. Again O. The OH will go up, CH2OH, then it is OH, H, H, OH, CH2OH, and then it is H. So this will be beta D fructofuranose. I hope now you will be able to make the structure of fructose These are the cyclic structure of fructose because it is not found in that of a open structure. So we can very easily write the structure of fructose, that is in the cyclic structure of fructose, that is in the alpha D form and that of a beta D form. Now I come to a very important topic that is known by the name of proteins. Proteins are the second biomolecules after carbohydrate which we have to study. The proteins are so important that it is the basis of life. Proteins are having high molecular mass. These are complex biomolecules and these are made from the polymerization, condensation of alpha amino acids. Proteins are very much important. The proteins are made from the condensation of alpha amino acids with the elimination of water molecule. They are present in all forms of life. Proteins are present in all forms of life. Protein word has been taken from the Greek word proteoses, which means primary and of prime importance. The proteins are found in each and every cell. These are found in plants. These are found in animals. I have already told you that they are basis of life. So they are necessary for the growth, for the maintenance, for the all our activities. The proteins are very much important. The proteins are so important that they are found in plants as well as in animals too. Now, if the hydrolysis of protein is done, it is converted in the form of peptides. Proteins, hydrolysis, these are converted in the form of peptides. And if the hydrolysis of peptides is done, these are converted, again hydrolysis, these are converted in the form of alpha amino acids. So, the proteins are made by the combination of alpha amino acids. Now, there are large number of amino acids. If I define amino acids, so these amino acids are the acids which consist of two groups. One of them is that of a NH2 group and other is known by the name of carboxylic group. NH2 group is a amino acid group. It is amines group. NH2 is a amines group. If I write the structure of amine, it consists of R, C, H, NH2, COOH. This is carboxylic, this is alkyl group, this is amino group, and this is carboxylic acidic group. This is carboxylic acidic group. There is only one amine which is not optically active. Otherwise, all other alpha amino acids, they are optically active, and that is glycine. Glycine. In the glycine, instead of R, there is a H. So it is not optically active. All other alpha amino acids are optically active. The amino acids are having same structure as that of a structure of glucose and fructose is taken. Their basic structure is also taken from that of a structure of glucose taken from the molecule glyceraldehyde. First of all, I will tell you about the polymeric form of alpha amino acids, they exist in two polymeric form. We can write it like this: C H NH2 COOH and R. I can write the second polymer, that will be CH group on this side. Then we are having R and NH2 group on this side. So these two are polymers of amino acids. These two are polymers of amino acids, and of course alpha amino acid. Why alpha? Because all the amino acids belongs to L family. All the amino acids, they belong to L family. What is the meaning of L family? It is just like I have told you, glyceraldehyde, that if the NH2 group is on the left side, then it will be D family, it will be H R COOH. If it is on the right side, then it will belongs to D family. But these do not belongs to D family. Rather than all the alpha amino acids, these belong to L family. They are having NH2 group on the left hand side, and that is why this is known by the name of L family. This is NH2 group. It is on the left hand side. So that is why these are known to belong to that of a L family. Now, let me discuss about the nomenclature of these alpha amino acids. Nomenclature of alpha amino acids. Of course, they can be named by the IUPAC system, but their trivial name are very much important, and they are always spoken by that of a trivial name. For example, if we are having any amino acid like glycine, this will be spoken as gly. It is a three-letter word. It is given by three-letter word. Suppose we are having alpha amino acid as alanine, that will be written as ala. They can also be given by that of a one-letter word, that is G, that is A. This is one-letter word. And when we are writing, we are combining these alpha amino acids, so we add L. Like we will write, suppose the two alpha amino acids have been combined, we will write glycol, alanine, like this. So all the amino acids, they are being named by the trivial name, that is, they are spoken by that of a three-letter word, or they are spoken by that of a only one-letter word. Now, next one is the classification of alpha amino acids. Classification of alpha amino acids. They are classified in three parts. They are neutral, acidic, basic. If the number of NH2 group and COH group are equal, they are known by the name of neutral amino acids. They are known by the name of neutral amino acids. If the number of COOH group is more than number of NH2 group, then they are known by the name of acidic amino acids. If they are having more number of NH2 group than COOH group, then these are known by the name of basic alpha amino acids. And one thing more I want to tell you, why they are known by the name of alpha. They are attached with that of a alpha carbon. Like, except the carbon which is having COH carbon, if NH2 group is attached with a carbon which is just near to COH, then this is known by the name of alpha amino acids. They may be beta, they may be gamma, but in our own syllabus we are having only alpha amino acids. Again, except this carbon, if the NH2 group is attached to a carbon which is nearby to COH group, then it is known by the name of alpha amino acids. So, the amino acids are classified, I have already told you, as alpha, beta and gamma. Now there are next one more type of amino acids that is known by the name of essential and non-essential amino acids. There are two types of amino acids, essential and non-essential. There are total 20 types of amino acids. These are only present in our body. Out of these 20 amino acids, the 10 amino acids are only secreted in the body. Body itself made these amino acids. So they do not require to take from the diet. They are known by the name of non-essential amino acids. The essential amino acids are those which we take from diet, which are necessary for it, which are required by our body. So these are known by the name of essential amino acids. There are large number of examples, but I will give you two. They are called valine, leucine. These are the essential amino acid which our body is required to have. Now, if we see the properties of amino acid, first, they are colorless, crystalline solid. Second, they are having high melting point. Third, they are soluble in water. Amino acids can make hydrogen bonding, so they are soluble in water. They are colorless crystalline solid. They are having high melting point. They are soluble in water, and beside that, if we see, they do not behave like acid or base. Rather than they behave like salt. They do not behave like acid or base. Rather than they behave like a salt. Because NH2 or COH group, both the group are present. There is one very important property of these amino acids. They make dipolar ion. Actually, what happens if there is any amino acids? Now, this H is migrated towards NH2 and there will be formation of ion where there will be presence of negative as well as positive charge. This is known by the name of this is known by the name of zwitterion. What is zwitterion? Zwitterion is a dipolar ion. where there is a presence of positive and negative charge both. Zwitter ion is a dipolar ion where there is a presence of positive and negative charge both. Again repeating, all the alpha amino acids, they behave like salt. They do not behave like acid or base. They are dipolar. Why they are dipolar? Because there is a migration of one of the hydrogen from this carboxyl group towards that of a NH2 group. So they are having both positive and negative charges. Such type of dipolar ion where there is a presence of negative and positive charges is known by the name of Zwitter ion. Now in the next class I will tell you about the definition of proteins, about the formation of peptide bond. This is very important topic. You go through it. If there is any query, let me know so that you are able to the questions which are given in the sample.